This morning I'm going old school with a retro classic, Queen of Puddings. It's a pretty grand title for what is essentially a nice dessert made with standard ingredients. I'll be using tinned peaches, some jam, milk, eggs, sugar, fresh breadcrumbs and vanilla essence. I've got 150 grams of fresh breadcrumbs. Also into the bowl I'm going to add the zest of a lemon and a third of a cup of caster sugar. That's going to sit to one side. Then here I've got about a cup and 3/4 of milk. That's going to go into a pan. And we want to bring that almost to the boil so it's just simmering. And then we're going to take it off the heat. Stir in 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla essence. Quick stir around. Yeah, and we're going to pour the milk straight over just to soak it all up. Give that a quick stir around. And then we're going to leave this to soften up and absorb for about 10 minutes. Into the bowl, I've separated 3 eggs. I've got the egg yolks here. We'll keep the egg whites aside for the meringue topping later. Quick mix and then into here with our 3 egg yolks. Right, this is all mixed in. I've got a greased dish and we're going to just spoon this into the bottom. Spoon this out. And then that is going to go into the oven. The base of my dessert has cooked in the oven for 20 minutes, just until it's slightly set on top. We're going to leave that to one side and get making the meringue topping. 3 egg whites from the eggs that we separated earlier, and then just beat these until you get nice stiff peaks. This has got stiff peaks now. If we spoon it up, the peaks of the meringue will just stay where they are. And then we're going to gradually add in 200 grams of caster sugar. You do want to use caster sugar for meringue rather than your standard white sugar. The meringue is all mixed up now, lovely and glossy. I'll just show you here. Look at that. Can't beat beautiful, creamy, fluffy meringue. I've got my dessert here, the base of the dessert which baked. I'm going to spoon over the top 1/2 cup of jam. I've got raspberry jam, you can use whichever jam you like. And then on top, we're going to spoon out 2 standard tins of peach slices which have been well drained. We are going to spoon our meringue, lovely and glossy. Just sort of dollop it over the top and then we'll spoon it out. And then this is going to bake just for 10 minutes in the oven until the meringue turns golden. Ready to serve and enjoy. A nice dessert to eat over the long weekend. Here it is, the classic dessert Queen of Puddings, mine made with peaches too.